Please subscribe and come along for the ride.